Hello everyone. In our previous video, we learned about components of the operating systems like process management, memory management and storage management. Now we are going to learn about protection and security. Protection, how the operating system is going to provide protection to the resources in the computer and to the processes generated by the user. What is meant by a protection? Protection is nothing but it is a mechanism for controlling access of processes or users to the resources provided by the operating system. So, how it is going to provide protection? By giving three types of permissions like read, write and execute to two sets of users, that is a owner and a group. Owner is nothing but a single individual user. He is going to set any type of permission like read, write and execute. If we give read permission means it can open only for the read operation, and if gives write permission means it is open for the read and modification permissions also. If it goes to execute permission means it can also allows us to read, write and execute the file, right? By giving these three types of permissions, operating system can restrict access to the file depending upon the ID generated by the operating system to the user, and depending upon the associated number including either name or their ID. Depending upon their IDs, operating system allows access to the resources and it also allows access to the processes, right? What are the types of users? The types of users are owner and the group. If it belongs to a group means then that group of people can able to perform certain set of operations, certain set of permissions. Those are read and write and execute. In this way, operating system can provide the protection. And how it is going to provide the security? What is meant by security? Security is nothing but it is a defense of the system against internal and external attacks. Some of the attacks are denial of service, worms, virus and theft of services. So, from these services, how the operating system providing security? The operating system can provide security with the help of firewalls and some set of softwares like worm detection softwares like that. In this way, operating system can provide protection and security. And our next topic is about distributed systems. What is meant by a distributed system? A distributed system is nothing but it is a collection of processes, individual processes works together to perform a specific task. What is meant by a distributed system? Distributed system is nothing but a set of processes connected together to perform a specific task, and it also increases the efficiency of the system. And what is meant by distributed computing? Distributed computing is nothing but collection of separate heterogeneous systems networked together. Why these are connected together? To perform the user task efficiently and conveniently, and it also increases the speed of execution. And how the distributed systems are arranged? These distributed systems are arranged in four ways. Those are LAN, local area network, WAN, wide area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and PAN, personal area network. What is meant by a LAN? LAN is nothing but these systems are connected together within a single room or within a single place in a single area is said to be a LAN. What is meant by a MAN? Metropolitan area network. That means it can connect all the computers in a particular city, that is within a building to building is said to be a MAN. What is meant by a wide area network? That means all the systems are arranged in a world and these systems are connected together and work together. That is a WAN. And what is meant by a personal area network? Personal area network is nothing but the systems or devices which are going to work with a single person, that is said to be a PAN. For example, PAN is nothing but a laptop, a system, a tablet, all which are used by a single person or connected together, then it is said to be a personal area network. And these are the types of distributed systems which are arranged with the help of a TCP/IP protocol. And this is about our Unit 1 first half. In next video, we are going to discuss about second chapter of Unit 1. Thank you all.